Well, welcome today. Thank God it's Friday, February the 19th at Advanced Level Chemistry here at Spain Park. Hey, by the way, my subscribers, I'm up to 80. Okay, so feel free to subscribe. We're shooting for 100.
If you hit 1,000, you can live stream.
That's exactly right. So, all right. So we want to look on the first worksheet. Look at number 3. Okay, and number 3 says, what percent of FeSO4.6H2O? FeSO4.6H2O. So what I want to do is, this is kind of a unique formula. Okay, when you see this. This is what we call a hydrate. Okay, a hydrate. The water, when the iron sulfate is precipitated out, you have a solution of iron sulfate, then you evaporate the water off, some of the water gets trapped into the crystal structure. So even though it's very much a solid, there's actually liquid water molecules trapped in the crystal. They're not really bonded to this. We can heat this up and actually drive off this water of hydration. Okay? And then you have what's called anhydrous, without water, anhydrous iron 2 sulfate. Okay? So when you're calculating the molar mass of this thing, you're going to calculate, it's going to be the molar mass is going to equal 1 times the Fe, which is 55.8. Okay, this is Fe, plus 1 times 32.07, I believe, sulfur. Yes, I don't know why I got myself. That's your sulfur, plus 4 times 16.0, which is the oxygen. But then, I know in math the dot means times. This is just going to mean there's 6 water molecules, so we're going to go plus 6 water molecules. And each water molecule is 2 plus 16 is 18.02. This is the H2O. Now, you just you go through and add all that up and you get your molar mass, and then you can do your percent iron, you can do your percent sulfur, you can do your percent of whatever. It's just when you do the molar mass of a hydrate, you add in however many waters there are. And it's always going to be a dot, so many waters. Now if we wanted to name this, we would name this iron 2 sulfate. Okay, iron's got a transition metal with more than one oxidation state, so I need a Roman numeral. Iron 2, and I know that sulfate is -2, therefore iron must be the +2. Iron 2 sulfate hexahydrate. Another compound that's very common, this would be copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate. And then this one would be barium chloride, what? Dihydrate. Okay, so to name the hydrate, you just put in however you use the prefixes, like a covalent compound, use the prefixes for however much water. Okay, that's just a little over and above, a little freebie for you. So you can finish doing number 3. We're going to do 2 through 5, 7 and 8 on that sheet, and then I'll tell you which ones on the other sheet. It's only like 4 of them. Okay.